it's Blake, and you are watching Beauty and Style Network, and today we are going over hairspray hacks. Can I spray the hairspray and make it slow motion? Hairspray is important. I would say that I use it every single day, and most people use it every single day as well. So when applying hairspray, it's super important that you don't spray it literally like right on your hair so closely. You want to kind of hold it away about 12 inches from the hair, just so you don't have a really stiff, hard place in the hair. Now, if you're like me and have these little flyaways all around your hair, I do get a little closer for those, just like my little stubborn pieces I will, or my little baby hairs. But for the most part, you want to spray about 12 inches away from the hair. Another important thing is to always spray in a continuous motion. You don't want to be all crazy with it. You just want to spray normal. Find a direction you want to go in and keep on spraying it like that. If you're like me and like big hair and you want lots of volume, a cool hack is to bend your head over, start spraying your hair with the hairspray, and kind of like move your head around all different directions and kind of like fluff it up with your hands, and that's going to give you maximum volume. Another thing you can do to get big hair is to lift up a section of your hair, spray the hairspray, and kind of back comb it, and that's going to give you the most volume you could ever want. Thanks for watching Beauty and Style Network. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what your favorite hairspray is. Make sure to ring the bell, and I'll see you next Wednesday. No, that was good. I wasn't prepared, so all I saw was, okay, I got it. That helped. That was actually very helpful.
Okay.
Yeah. Does it look weird when my hands are here? I feel like I'm a noose. Yes.
No, it looks good. You're good.
And the weather today.